Hi friends, welcome back to DVR construction planning. In this video, I am going to explain 45 feet 9 inches into 56 feet 2 inches measurement house plan. In this plot, I am explaining ground floor, first floor and second floor design. In depthly, setbacks, pillar sizes, main doors, bedroom measurements, bathroom measurements and etc. Okay. Before starting video, please subscribe to my channel, like and share. If anyone having doubts or queries and information about construction related things, please mention it in comment box. Okay. Let's start the video. In this video, 56 feet 2 inches in south side, 45 feet 9 inches in south side. Okay, this is ground floor plan. In this plan, we taken setback in north for 4 feet, in south 3 feet. Okay, this is 3 feet with compound wall 3 feet 4 inches. Okay, in east side 7 feet 4 inches, inner to inner dimension 7 feet. Okay, with staircase. Okay, west side 3 feet inner to inner dimension. Okay, in this we taken 1 2 3 4 5 15 pillars. Okay, the pillars dimensions 9 inch into 18 inches. Okay, we taken north side 2 shops, remaining part is parking for vehicles. Okay, this is east road and north road. Something else, this is my measurement of pillar to pillar. Okay, this is all. Okay, first floor plan. In this plan, we only extended balconies in north with 4 feet and as usual in east side 7 feet. Okay, first floor 1 2 BHK to 1 BHK. This is 2 BHK in south side. Okay, this is master bedroom, attached toilet, common toilet, kitchen, puja, hall, children's bedroom. Okay, master bedroom sizes 13 into 11 feet 4 inches, children's 13 feet 9 inches. Okay, attached 4 feet 6 inches into 6 feet 6 inches toilet. Common also like that only, but we take a door into hall. Okay, open kitchen 10 feet into 6 feet 6 inches, puja 5 feet into 4 feet 6 inches, hall 20 feet into 9 feet, east main door. Okay, next first 1 BHK, kitchen, hall, bedroom, toilet, drawing room. Okay, Kitchen 10 into 7 feet, drawing 10 into 5 and a half. Bedroom 13 into 9, toilet 8 into 3 and a half. Hall 911 into 1210. Okay, these also same measurements: bedroom, toilet, hall, drawing, kitchen. Okay, entrance on east only. Okay, this is first floor plan. We are not extending west and south slab. There is no usage of putting balcony on south and west. Okay, next go to second floor. Okay, in this we taken 2 BHK with toilets measurements is more. Okay, because of they are using tub bath for bathing. Okay, there is kitchen, dining, master bedroom, toilet, living, and children's bedroom, toilet, bedroom, and drawing room. Okay, open garden. Okay, here also we are extending 4 feet balcony and 7 feet balcony. Okay, kitchen sizes is 9 into 7 feet 9 inches, puja 5 into 3 and a half, dining 10 feet 10 inches into 11 feet 4 inches. And master bedroom, it's not master bedroom, it's only bedroom, because children's bedroom is more than master bedroom. Okay, bedroom size 13 into 11 feet 4 inches, toilet 18 into 9 attached. Bedroom size 13 feet into 13 feet 4 inches, toilet 8 into 8, this is also attached. Drawing room 11 into 13 feet 4 inches, and last living 1910 into 9. Okay, the front area is opened for gardening, terrace gardening. Okay, this is my video. Thank you for watching my video. If anyone wants more plans, please go to the description. There is a link of my FB ID, FB page ID, and Insta also. Please go and click on this. There is more house plans images are there. Go and check it. Please follow and like. If anyone wants house plan for their constructions, contact me. My number is 9391539871. Okay, thank you. Bye.